been dissipated or changed courses. We don't have to cut this motherfucking tool.
I'm sure we have to.
I'm sure we have to.
Does anybody need anything of a vending machine that's gonna get a Coke? Actually, while I'm gonna go to the bathroom, what's this? Shaving cream? I like to shit and shave all the time. Anyway, I rebooted the phone systems. A few minor systems gonna go on and off. Not a big deal. Oh, hey, look, a pop show. Anyway, I'm gonna hit this big execute button right now.
Come on, that is enough. Shush. Now, Dr. Arnold, my grandchildren are afraid of me.
But he's not going to take the chance, John. Sustained winds of 45 knots. No, nature can be lethal, but it doesn't hold a candle to me. Now we all see how bad things can get and just how quick they can get that way. Well, guess what? They must get a whole lot motherfucking worse. Ladies and gentlemen, the last shuttle to the dock leaves in approximately 5 minutes. Drop what the hell your ass is drinking and leave now. Hold on to your butts. There's a motherfucking storm coming here. For remnants getting cold. According to all sources, the streets will blaze with gold. Tonight for the first time, just about high. And tonight for the first time, it's gonna start raining man. It's raining man. Whoa, what the hell? Now I see some crazy ass shit in my name. But the door security system, they're failing.
Did say some of the systems will go offline, didn't he?
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, no!
The bitches are failing. A few minor systems that motherfucker saying.
Check the vending machine!
The motors, they're failing.
My grandchildren, where do the trucks stop?
The raps are failing.
The raps are failing.
Now wait, hold on. Now really he's showing everything we needed today. And it's all pretty standard stuff. Until this one. All we have to do now is on the computer size the code, one by one, all to the